Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have to discuss about NPTEL Swayam problem solving through programming in C week 3 assignment 3. So the first bit, find the output of the following C program. In the main function, x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 12 can be initialized as integer variables. Here y plus plus is nothing but post increment. In the case of post increment, whatever the value that is stored in the variable that can be assigned, after that the value stored in variable y can be incremented. Now, in this statement, z is equal to x into y plus plus. So, y value initially that is 12. 12 can be taken as first, after that the value can be incremented. So, z is equal to x into y plus plus. X value is substituted in the place of x. In the place of y plus plus, first we have to substitute 12 as it is. After evaluating this expression, then y value can be incremented by 1. So, x value 10, y value 12, 10 into 12 that is 120. 120 can be assigned to the variable z. After that, y value can be incremented by 1. Previously y value 12, now y value is 13. X value is 10 is substituted here, y value is 13 here, substitute here 10 into 13, so that is 130 can be assigned to the variable a on the left hand side. So printf percentage d z comma a. So z value is 120 and a value is 130 is printed. So answer is B. Z value 120 and a value is 130. Next, second bit. What will be the output of the following program? In the main function, so variable p can be initialized as 2 and variable m can be initialized as 10. Int k is equal to not p less than 2 logical and m greater than 2. Okay. First, p value is substituted here. 2 less than 2, that is false. Next, m value is substituted here. 10 greater than 2, that is true. Here one is false and another one is true. False, logical and true, that is false. Not false is nothing but true. So, true value always contains the value 1. So, 1 can be assigned to the variable k, printf percentage d k. K value is 1. So, logical and is true, it returns true, both expressions are true. If one of the expression is false, so then logical and returns the false value. Next, third bit. Find out the following output of the code. In the main function, int a is equal to 5, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 6. Okay, float x1 comma x2. Here b value is substituted here, a value is substituted here, c value is substituted here. B square minus 4ac. B value is 2. 2 into 2, that is 4. Greater than 4 into a into c. So a value 5, c value is 6. 5 into 6, 30. 30 into 4, 120. So 2 greater than 120. So that is false. Whenever the condition inside the if block is false, so then control goes to the else block. the statement within the else block is executed. So that is roots are imaginary. So answer is D, option D. Next one, find out the output of the following code. In the main function, variable p can be initialized as a 6, variable q can be initialized as 4, variable r is initialized as a 10. So if p greater than q, p value 6, q value 4, 6 greater than 4, condition true. If this condition is true, then the control goes to the body of the if block. In the if block, again one statement is there, p greater than r. P value is 6 and r value is 10. 6 greater than 10, that is false. Then control goes to the else block. Within the else block, printf percentage d r. So what is r value? R value is 10. So 10 value is printed. So option C is the answer. Next one. Which of the following statements are correct? Here two statements are given. So else block is executed when condition inside if statement is false. And the second one is if statement can have multiple else statement. So here observe this, else block is executed only when if condition is false. So first statement is correct. Second one, if statement can have multiple else statement. So this is wrong. For every if statement, one else block is there. So therefore only one statement 1 is correct. So option A is correct. Next one, C modular division operator percentage can be applied on only int variables. It cannot be applied on float variables. It cannot be applied on int and float combination. It cannot be applied on any data types in C. So C modular division operator percentage can be applied only on int variables. Next, seventh bit, the output of the following program will be in the main function if of 0. So 0 is always returns the false value. Okay, if of 0 means if of false. Here within the condition 0 is there. 0 is nothing but false. Okay. Here if condition is false, then go to the next statement. If of 0.5. So 0.5 is not equal to the 0. So therefore here the condition is true. If this condition is true, so then it prints the Java within the if block. So Java is printed. Again after that, if of minus 0.5. Minus 0.5 is not equal to 0. So therefore it can be treated as true. If it is true, the condition within the if block is executed. The statement within the if block can be executed. Printf Python. So Java and Python. So option B contains Java and Python that can be printed. Okay. So within the condition of if statement, only 0 is there. It can be treated as false. Otherwise, it can be treated as true. Okay. Here it is false. Then go to the next if statement. 0.5 can be taken as true. Therefore, the statement within the if block can be executed. That is Java is printed. If of minus 0.5, it can be treated as true. Therefore, the statement within the if block can be executed. That is Python. So answer is Java, Python are printed in. So answer is option B. Next one. What will be the output? Int p is equal to 2. int k. P can be initialized with value 2. K is equal to P greater than 10 question mark 2 colon 10. So substituted P value 2 greater than 10. 2 greater than 10 is false. Therefore, whatever the value present after the colon, that can be printed. Suppose if this expression is true, after the question mark, whatever the value is there, that value is printed. So, if this expression is true, after the question mark, whatever the value is present, that value is printed as it is. If this expression is false, after the colon, whatever the value that is present, that can be printed. So P value 2 greater than 10. So false. So after the colon, whatever the value is there, that value is printed as it is. So therefore value 10 is printed. Next one, what will be the output? Ninth question, what will be the output? In the main function, variable s can be initialized as 20. If s equal to 9, it is not equal to, only single equal to. S is equal to 9 can be taken, s is equal to 19 can be taken as true value. If this condition is true, the statement within the if block is executed, that is option A, right is printed. Okay. S is equal to 19 can be taken as true value. Okay. Suppose here S equal to 19, so then S value is 20 is substituted here. 20 equal to 19 is false, then the statement within the else block is executed. But here in this condition given S is equal to 19, S value is 19 can be taken as a true value. So here if this condition is true, the statement within the if block can be executed, that is right is printed. Next one, 10th bit, what will be the output of the following program? In the main function, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 5, D is equal to 8. Here the expression is ans is equal to A minus B plus C into A by D modulus operator B. Okay. So substituting these A, B, C, D values in this expression, so 2 minus 3 plus 5 into 2 by 8 modulus operator 3. Okay. In this expression, first of all, which operator has the highest precedence? So star and divided by has the highest precedence, so that here star and divided by both operators are there. Whenever both operators have the same precedence, so star and divided by has the same precedence, at that time we have to use associativity. Associativity of plus and star and divided by is left to right. So therefore among the star and divided by, so what is the left operator? Star operator. First, so C into A is calculated. C value 5, A value 2, 5 into 2 is calculated, that is the 10. So 10 divided by 8 modulus operator 3. So here next the expression is 10 by 8. 10 by 8, it returns the integer value as 1. Okay. So now this entire expression becomes 2 minus 3 plus 1 modulus operator 3. So among them, which operator has the highest precedence? Plus and minus has the highest precedence. So here both plus and minus are there. At that time, we have to use associativity. Associativity of plus and minus is left to right. Here first we have to calculate a minus b. A value 2, b value 3. 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 modulus operator 3. So among them, which operator has the highest priority among plus and modulus operator? Plus has the highest priority. So minus 1 plus 1, so we are getting 0. So 0 modulus operator 3. So 0 modulus operator 3 is nothing but 0. 0 can be assigned to the variable on the left hand side, that is the answer. So therefore option B, answer will be 0. So this is the solutions for week 3 assignment 3 for problem solving through programming in C. In the next video we have to see the programming assignments for week 3 assignment 3.